friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of X Twitter. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you will search about the application of X Twitter and you will enter here. Then in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.